They say experience protects you, but try telling that to the millions of drivers who lose more than $1,200 every single year to car scams they never saw coming. Dealerships, oil change chains, and even the friendly neighborhood mechanic, all running the same dirty tricks. Today, we're breaking down 17 automotive scams that fool millions. And one of them, yeah, it fooled even me. Stay till the end, because that one is personal. Let's begin. Scam number 17. The engine flush scam. 7 out of 10 engine flushes are pushed by quick lube chains not because your engine needs one, but because it's one of their highest profit upsells. They'll say your engine is full of sludge, contaminated, or on the verge of failure unless you pay $120 for a flush. Sounds terrifying, right? Here's the truth. Most modern engines don't need an engine flush at all. If you're changing your oil on time, the flush does nothing except drain your wallet. Some shops even use harsh chemicals that can loosen sludge and block oil passages, starving your engine of lubrication and causing real damage. Others hook up a shiny machine, pour insolvent, and pretend it's doing magic inside your engine, but the only thing it actually cleans is your bank account. To be fair, flushes can help in very neglected engines, but for normal drivers, it's just bad science wrapped in fear, and when they're done with that scare tactic, they move straight to the next one. Scam number 16. The cabin air filter emergency. Cabin air filters do not need to be changed every time you get an oil change, but many shops slip it onto your bill anyway, without asking, without explaining, just assuming you'll say yes. They'll hold up a dirty-looking filter, usually not yours, shake their head, and say, "This needs replacing immediately." Reality? A cabin air filter is not an emergency. Unless it's completely clogged, your car won't choke, stall, or run poorly. For dusty regions, yes, check it more often. But in most cases, tap it clean and put it right back. Don't fall for fake urgency, because after filters comes one of their favorite lies. Scam number 15. The lifetime fluid myth. Dealers love promising that your transmission fluid, coolant, or differential fluid is lifetime. It sounds great until you realize lifetime simply means until the warranty expires. Fluids degrade, heat, friction, and time break them down. By 60,000 to 80,000 miles, lifetime transmission fluid has already lost a huge chunk of its protective qualities. The damage doesn't appear immediately. It sneaks up later, costing thousands. Manufacturers push the myth to make new cars look cheap to maintain. Dealers repeat it to close the sale, but ask any real mechanic, no fluid lasts forever. Change it before it burns, and your car will outlive their marketing tricks. Next up, a scam that literally lights up your dashboard. Scam number 14. The tire pressure sensor replacement trick. Your TPMS light turns on. You roll into a shop. Before they even check the tire, they say, "Your sensor is bad. Needs replacing." Not true. TPMS sensors rarely fail overnight. Most of the time, it's low tire pressure, cold morning, weak sensor battery corrosion, round the valve steam. A simple reset needed after a tire rotation. Shady shops skip all that and jump straight to a $100 plus replacement. Always check your own tire pressure first. If the car drives fine, it's probably a false alarm, not a failed sensor. If this helps you, like and subscribe. We're just getting warmed up. Scam number 13. Fake diagnostic fees. Check engine light pops on. You take it to a shop. Before they even open the hood, they charge a diagnostic fee. Most of the time, they're using a cheap $50 scanner, reading one basic code, and calling it a diagnosis. That's not diagnosing. That's pressing a button. Real diagnostics take time, checking voltage, testing sensors, verifying symptoms. Shady shops don't want that. They want fast upsells. Always ask, what does the fee include? Is it applied toward the repair? Are they doing real troubleshooting or just reading a code? Honest shops explain. Scam shops avoid the question. Next up, a scam that looks scientific but is in single quotes. Scam number 12. The bad brake fluid testing and oil change. A tech walks over with a test strip dipped in your brake fluid. It failed. You need a flush right now? Nope, brake fluid naturally darkens. That doesn't mean it's bad. Most cars go 2 to 4 years before needing a real brake fluid change. Those test strips? They're designed to sell services, not measure anything meaningful. Want an accurate reading? Buy a brake fluid moisture tester online. If moisture is under 3%, you're perfectly fine. Don't let them scare you with fake science. Scam number 11. The used car clean and high-trickest car sellers can make a disaster look like a gem. Deep detail, shiny paint, steam-cleaned engine, fresh interior, even painted rust. Clean doesn't always mean cared for. Sometimes it means covered up. A spotless engine bay might hide leaks. Fresh undercoating might hide corrosion or flood damage. Glossy seats might be coated with silicone. Always look under mats, behind panels, and under the hood for overspray or residue. If it looks too perfect, be cautious. Scam number 10. The yo-yo financing scam. You buy a car on loan. You drive home happy. Days later, the dealer calls. Financing didn't go through. You need to sign a new contract. Now you're trapped. They raise the interest rate. Add fees, add extras. Pressure you emotionally. Once the car is in your driveway, walking away feels impossible. To protect yourself, do not leave the lot until financing is fully approved. Get written confirmation from the lender, not the dealer. Never rely on temporary approvals. Scam number 9. The bait and switch oil change. $29.99 oil change ads are traps. You walk in for the cheap deal. Halfway through, they come back with synthetic upgrade engine flush whippers filters urgent add-on. Suddenly your $29 oil change is $150. This is the bait and switch. Cheap price to get you in. Pressure sales to profit. Real shops tell you the total price before they touch the car. If they can't, walk out. Scam number 8. The fake certified inspection. 150-point certified inspection. Many are worthless. Some dealers do proper checks, but many just glance at the car, wipe it clean, and tick boxes. No compression test. No electrical scan. No real inspection. Demand to see who inspected the car, exactly what was checked, proof it was done by trained techs. If they dodge questions, that certification is just a sticker. Scam number 7. Fake check engine light reset. Scammers love clearing codes for repairs. They clear the light, not the problem. For used cars, they reset the light to hide issues right before showing you the car. Always ask for freeze frame data. Historical code is spending codes. Mill clear timestamp if they don't provide it. Walk away. Scam number 6. The fuel system cleaning scam. Dealers push $150, $250 fuel system cleanings all the time. Truth? Modern gasoline already contains detergents. Top-tier fuels clean injectors on their own, unless your car has real symptoms. Rough idle, misfires, poor acceleration. You don't need a cleaning if they push it every oil change. It's a script, not maintenance. Scam number 5. The new battery lease scam. Shops love selling unnecessary batteries. A real dying battery shows clear signs, slow cranking, dim headlights, clicking on start, electrical flickers. A healthy battery lasts 5 to 7 years. Don't let anyone trick you with fake load. Test low voltage scarce. Dim shop letting go overly dramatic readings. Just at a trusted auto parts store. Most do it free. Scam number 4. The flood car cover-up. Flood cars get cleaned up, retitled in another state, and sold to unsuspecting buyers, even if they look perfect. Water damage destroys wiring slowly over time. Look for musty smell to strong air freshenerist on seat rails, water lines, under the carpet, in crevices, corrosion under the hood. If you see anything suspect, yes, run. Scam number 3. The extended warranty trap. Letters, calls, emails, all warning you your coverage is expiring. Most third-party extended warranties cover almost nothing. They use fear urgency final notice, fake promise when something actually breaks. They deny the claim for wear and tear per existing conditions not covered under named components. If you want one, only buy from your car's manufacturer, not random companies. Scam number 2. The odometer rollback. Rollback odometers to raise the value A 160,000-mile car suddenly shows 90,000, still worn, still old, just falsely young, check. Service records Carfax were on pedals and seat steering wheel condition screws with tool marks if the miles look to perfect. They probably are. Scam number 1, the fake mechanic diagnosist's most dangerous scam. You come in with a small issue. They tell you, transmission failing, catalytic converter dead, major sensor failure, $1,000 plus repair need dead. They scare you. They show meaningless charts. They replace random parts. And a week later, the issue comes back. Protect yourself. Ask for proof, ask for before. After that, ask for live readings, ask questions, get a second opinion. A real mechanic explains. A scammer intimidates.